Is there any point in which you guys feel like we have too many flowers up?
Not yet.
So far?
Run out. Watch your step. Stay
Are you guys on your correct sides? You are, right?
Right.
Lines are out.
Watch your step. Stay away from lines.
Right.
New lines.
Watch your step.
I might put this in a very bad spot.
Shockwave. Shockwave.
So far so good, just keep it up. Spread around again. And start soaking. Remember, after you soak, come back closer to us.
Watch your step. Stay away from lines.
And the first lines will be out. Lines are out.
Watch your step. Stay away from lines.
Right.
Watch your step.
More lines.
Shockwave. Shockwave.
I will need a rest after this.
You ready to for me?
After. Thank you. Now, the next group is Wuzz, Ritth, Bullroids, Minge, and Neref. Let's soak.
Just
We have a lot.
super chill, guys. Like, let's fight. It's a breeze.
Left.
I need a defensive, please.
Defensive burrows, please.
Relax, play it safe.
Just this.
Just see if we can push through. Use any Hellstones potions. Kick. Save kick if you can.
I'm good,
Check it.
don't worry.
Ali.
I'm good, I'm good. You're fine, just continue. Just survive this. You're fine, you're fine. Zarvel stay alive.
Very defensive now. Use
Crossing too many lines.
Chaka, will you have cooldowns? Back? There's a DPS. Burroid or Chaka.
just the last fucking boss, guys. Dodge lines, you know what to do.
Rest Chaka. Don't do any soaking unless it's like on at
You
your
gotta do
feet.
red soaks, red soaks.
Yeah, that you have to do.
Run out. Watch your step.
You'd have a red soak coming out in about 5 seconds, melee.
Red right.
Ooh.
Don't get stunned, and you'll be good.
Watch your step.
Remember, it's okay if you wipe now. This is only the third one.
Stay away from lines.
Use immunities if you have any.
Yeah, boy! Oh, yeah!
Good job.
Very nice job, guys. I'm
Get
so proud of
poorer.
you. Every single one.